Today we're making beautiful marble wax melts, so let's jump right in. Start by pouring the Parasoy pillow wax into your melter. Gently heat it up until all the wax pellets have completely melted and you've reached the proper melting point at 80 degrees. Once melted, take off the heat and allow it to cool down slightly, just until it reaches the pouring temperature between 55 to 65 degrees. Now it's time to add the magic, your fragrance oil. Pour it in and give it a good stir to make sure it's evenly distributed throughout the wax. Next, add a couple of drops of liquid dye, spacing them out across the wax melt clamshell. This step is what gives you that gorgeous marble look. Carefully pour the wax into the clamshells and watch the colour gently swirls and mixes on its own, creating a stunning marble effect. Leave them to set overnight and that's it. Your marble effect wax melts are ready to enjoy. For more makes and recipes, make sure you're subscribed.